Hello, it's Ryan.
Hey Ryan, this is Brett. I applied with y'all last week and we played a
Yeah,
little phone tag.
yeah, Brett. How you doing?
I'm just fine. I'm glad to be finally speaking with you.
Yeah. Sorry I missed you that morning. Yeah, good to hear from you. So, um, what are you up to these days? What's going on
Well,
as
I'm
far as work?
I'm doing welding work in a shop, and things are getting pretty much wrapped up there where I'm looking for another job.
Right. Cool. So you do what kind of welding you guys do there?
Well, there it's specifically
Fabrication.
aluminum. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
aluminum fabrication, but
Yeah.
I'm proficient with carbon steel and stainless steel.
Yeah. Okay. Um, how long you been at this place?
Like a
What'd you do
year.
before? I mean, so what kind of stainless experience do you have? I should ask.
I've done. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Okay, I've done things from stainless steel. I've done a lot of art with it and some tube and pipe and structural.
Yeah. So what we do is, we manufacture industrial water heating equipment, um, mostly for use in food processing facilities. But there's several applications. There's textile mills that use our equipment. There's industrial laundries, things like that. It's pretty much any industry that needs to heat water. They're not boilers. We don't build boilers. We build water heaters. There's no steam or pressure involved. Um,
Do you use
so
purging for?
yeah, we do some. We purge some of our pipe. Um, but as far as our vessels for the water heater itself, no, we don't purge that. It's basically 11 gauge steel, 11 gauge stainless that we fabricate into into these vessels for water heating and for hot water storage. Um, we also weld Schedule 10 stainless steel pipe um, for our jobs as well. So we work in our shop manufacturing this equipment. When we're in the shop, we work 4 10s a week, Monday through Thursday, 6 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Um, and then on and we do work some overtime. Like we're getting ready to start a few weeks of overtime where we work a Friday just to get caught up. But for the majority of the year, it's 3 day week or 3 day weekend. Um, most every week. Um, we do also install our equipment, so there is some travel involved. Um, you know, the way it's been working as far as the frequency of travel has been about 6 weeks working in the shop and then go out to do an install. And then an install typically lasts for 1 to 2 weeks. Sometimes it runs into 3 weeks for the bigger jobs, but generally 1 to 2 weeks.
He's
While we
been
travel,
breathing in
all travel expenses are paid by the company. That's food and lodging,
the way he breathes in,
any sort of air
scratching
travel
himself.
costs or otherwise. If it's generally longer than a 6 or 8 hour drive, we'll fly. And but when we do drive, it's company rented vehicles or company vehicles only. Um, and we take care of our guys pretty good on the road. There's not really a limit on food cost, within reason. As long as you're getting what you need to be healthy and comfortable, then that's what matters. And every employee has their own room when we travel, and we stay at clean, safe hotels like Holiday Inn or Hampton Inn type places. Um, we also give a $25 a day um, allowance. I don't want to call it a per diem because, like I said, the travel cost is paid for, but it's $25 a day allowance for employees to use for incidentals or pay somebody to take care of stuff at home while they're away. Um, New employees have a 9 day probationary period. After that period, we offer
Scratching
seven paid
himself.
holidays a year. participation in our group health insurance plan. And
Scratch himself. Breath
we
not.
also offer uniforms that we take care of the laundry and everything on. After 6 months, you're eligible for a 401k with a 3% company match. And after 1 year, be eligible for 2 weeks vacation. After 5 years, 3 weeks of vacation, a paid vacation time. So that's it in a nutshell. Sound like something that might interest you?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Okay. We do well tests generally on Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Next time we have available is next Monday, what is that, the 12th, I believe, or no, days off. Next Monday's the 15th. So from the 15th through the 18th, you can come in and fill out an application, do a well test.
I am definitely interested. What weld tests do y'all do?
What kind of what?
Weld tests do you do?
We do a 6G pipe, a 3-inch Schedule 10 stainless steel pipe. We use arc lift welders, lift arc welders. And we also do a piece of 11 gauge steel plate, about 8 inches long, butt weld on that.
Are they purged?
No.
Okay. So what about for root reinforcement? Since it's not purged, I'm assuming it's not super important?
No, that's right. It's just one pass.
Oh, one pass in total?
Yeah.
Okay. See, the thing is, the thing that made me kind of worried, it's been, I've done it before, but, it's been 2019 is the last time I did stainless steel pipe, so if I feel a little rusty, but with that, I feel totally confident. And
yeah, I can send you a picture of the arrangement of what we do.
that would be cool
for the weld test, and
just
know what to expect, and yeah, it'd be great.
I'm kind of juggling a few things right now. So I don't want to set an exact date, but can we be in contact for the near future to hopefully work out a weld test?
Yeah, sure thing, man. Drop me. This is my cell phone number. You can text me here anytime or give me a call, and by all means. And if you could do it one day next week, Monday through Thursday from 8 to 3:30, that'd be great. If it needs to be another week, we're looking for good help. So we've been growing quite a bit for the past 3 to 4 years for sure, like exponentially. But prior to that, the company's been in business for 30 years, so we're not going anywhere. And as I said, we're growing quite a bit right now, so we're looking for a few good welders to stick around with us. So
how many people work with y'all?
well, we got the entire company is, I think we're about 12 people. We got 6 welders in the shop right now, 6 welder fabricators. That's including the supervisor. We're looking to hire, probably 3 more total welders. We also have a in-house control panel shop, UL listed shop, where we build control panels for our heaters. So it's somebody with electrical talents or electrical controls. So that's about 11 people total, 6 in the welding shop.
Right on. Well, would I be able to do the application online in the meantime? Like, I can probably knock that out sometime tonight or sometime soon.
Yeah, I could email it to you. Can you text me your email address?
Yeah, totally.
And I'll email you a copy of it. I don't know, would you want to print it and send it and fill it out and send it back, or would you want to type it into the form?
I mean, I could type it in easily and send it to you.
Okay. I mean, it'd be in an Adobe PDF document, So, you'd have to save it and then send it, fill it out, save it, and then send it back. I can text me your email address and I can get you something here in the next day or two. I'm out of town right now. I'm actually on vacation, but I'll get back with you for sure.
Okay, cool. Well, sounds good. I'm glad we talked, and I will send you that email address through text, and hope you have a good rest of your day.
Hey, yeah, thanks, man. You too. Look forward to hearing from you.
Hey, bye bye.